first vlog of Mint and Learn cooking channel. Just kidding. Anyways, we are here in Hawaii.
Learn cooks, Mint eat.
True. Only when he's around, then I let him cook. But if he's not around, I can cook too. You guys seen it in my previous videos. You can go back and watch all the cooking videos that I did. What are you doing? Anyways, guys, we're gonna be making tom yum soup, pakapao, what is it? Papaya salad.
Oh snap.
Right now we're cooking, but I'm hungry. He takes a while to finish cooking, so I'm gonna eat tom yum noodle soup. This one's so good, guys. I'm gonna make this one first while I wait for him to cook because it takes a minute, okay? And by the time he finished cooking, I'll be at the cemetery. So let's eat first. My water is boiling now, so
Cheers to that.
he always drink.
I miss John.
They have all these ripe bananas, so I'm gonna try to attempt to make banana bread. So let's see, it's gonna be my first time doing
It's not even a
it.
good combo. It's not even a good combo.
Banana bread, eh?
Banana bread, tom yum, pakapao som tam. Banana
bread for dessert. How's that not a good combo? We can eat banana bread later. We don't have to eat it now. Okay, this is my tom yum noodle. I'm gonna eat. So good. Looks.
Oh!
What?
Did you forget something else?
Yeah. What is it? Ginger?
Kalanga.
What is kalanga?
That green cardamom, yeah.
The A.
Yeah, that goes in there.
The A?
What's going on?
Kalanga roots. The 80.
The A shine.
The 80.
The A oh my name.
Where?
I got it the other day.
Kalanga.
No kalanga. The A. The 18. So many terminology.
No, this is gin.
Yeah, that's what I said. The 8.
But gin or the in is different.
No, this is ginger. The A.
No, but that's gin.
The A share. The clear one is the A shit.
I need the other one.
Okay, well, too bad. You can get a lot of shit, even though I give you a whole ass list.
Well, you didn't put a kalanga in it.
What? I'm not the one who's cooking tom yum.
Oh. I was looking at it too when I checked it out. Shoot. That's still gonna be good, don't worry.
You should just go back to Chinatown.
Don't even trip. Oh, probably not gonna be the best, but it's gonna be good.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, I forgot to vlog, but we forgot a couple of ingredients, so we went to Chinatown, but then we're a little late. Chinatown closed. It's 5 p.m. They close super early. So yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go to H Mart. Hopefully we can, I don't know if they're gonna sell what we want, to be honest, but at least they're gonna have eggs, so yeah. Let's check out H Mart.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Just got back from H Mart. So we put in the red chili, I don't know, the lime leaf. What is this called in English, babe?
What?
No, what?
Think.
I don't know. Lemongrass.
There you go. You good, baby.
Yeah, lemongrass chicken in there. So now we're just boiling it.
Stop talking to me.
This is the banana bread. This is our beautiful tom yum soup we'll be enjoying later. There's no tomato in there yet, but we will put it in there. This is the chicken for the
I wonder if I should put anything here.
pakapao right there. How do you say it? Very good in Thai. Dima. Oh yeah, oh delicious. You gonna put it there?
Yeah.
Do you need to spray with
That's what I'm thinking.
spray with a little oil just so it doesn't stick?
Are you gonna put parchment? Did you put
Yeah.
parchment paper?
Parchment paper, you don't have to use it,
You
right?
don't.
Yeah.
Just,
Do they have parchment paper?
I don't know if they do or not.
you need
So-
to like strip so later.
Guys,
this way and then another one.
we're cooking at a friend's house who is clearly not here. Look at the counter. The counter is filled. Look at the
I don't want to pick it up with my foot.
Part. Do it. How do you?
Free Tobin.
Yeah, free feet, free feet. Aha.
Here.
I guess I'll just use this oil.
Explain to them what you are doing.
Me?
Yes.
Trying to bake banana.
So she will be making banana bread. Obviously banana bread. You need to have some banana, some flour, and then what else do you put in there? Sugar?
Yeah.
Brown or
So
white?
for the wet ingredients, I put 3 bananas, 2 eggs. Oh, and half cup of butter.
Well, for the dry
For
ingredients.
the dry ingredient, you need 2 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then pinch of salt,
Okay.
and half a cup of sugar. I think it'll be pretty sweet because the banana is extra ripe.
Okay. The twaraga in it. So extra oil's not in there. Yeah. So it's still gonna season the pan, but it will be good. Cut it but didn't record it, but here's the peek of the inside. It looks pretty nice. Alright, you're gonna give to a friend here. You want this piece? Yeah, the one got banana on it. Yeah. Oi, 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 oi.
How is it? It's really moist. I like it.
She says it's really moist.
Got too hungry, forgot to record us of eating. But what party finished her food? But all of what he nobody's home.
He eats all that.
He just over and I have all little.
We'll leave some room for banana bread actually. But got a little
Oh, this bite.
slaps.
Ta là mọi bước của Win à? Đó là tôm nhum. Cứ lò quy đó tôm nhum cái. Thì ai, cái lót đây là nó trôi trên lò.
Chứ bị bắt rồi bạn.
Trôi lót tầm. Khi cái này bỏ ra bắt là nó còn mưa à? Nâu vậy?
เอาวิมาเอาลูกจับปะ
Ừ.
หมดเกลี้ยง
Mình lập rồi, đấy làท่านนี่อยู่ก่อนมั้งที่บ้านเรามาอีกก็ที่เราอยู่ก่อนนะแต่เป็นที่จะจานนั้นละยี่จะอยู่รูปบ้านคนนั้นมั้ง
เจ็บเปล่าเลยแต่เจอแล้วอร่อยมาก
เลยลีทำไงแต่เนี่ยมีก็
หลอกเป็ด
อร่อยนะครับอร่อยมากครับพ่อครับ Usually I cook for her but she made dessert today. Here it is. So I'm gonna try it, see if it's any good. But there it is. Try it. Banana bread.
What do you think?
Pretty average. I'm just kidding, man. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I've never had anybody make me a banana bread in my life, so her first time making banana bread, not so bad.
Double thumbs up.
Double thumbs up.
The next day.
Oh, we are here. Look at this. Who's this girl?
Back.
Ready to kayak?
No. Just getting out.
He's gonna do all the work.
How you spell Jonah? Johana.
Joa. I think those are the ones we're gonna go kayak with. Looks heavy.
Do I just
Who's the boss? Hi, boss. Boss. Sir?
Who?
Sir? Sir? Can you put my name, sir?
Already did.
You took me in, teacher.
Sir.
So I hate you.
You have the woman herself, Miss Ma'am over here, living her best life. Ooh, yes.
You're all tiny with the truck. I said you're all tiny with the truck. They should let you drive.
Larissa is ready to grab. Oh, yeah. Ready to grab life jacket.
Yeah.
Guys, these are all my sugar daddy boats. I'm not sure which one I want to go on today.
Where are you?
We gotta go so far. Seriously, we're loading all the way here.
Where's your boy? Oh, he's not coming?
Almost ready. Going in the water. Well, boy, you ready to just sit pretty?
Huh?
You ready to sit pretty? I don't know if this can even record the audio.
Okay, you can just voice over it.
Yeah. We are on, guys. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi, hi, hi.
Hi.
I don't know if we can hear with this thing, but
Hello. Hi.
but
Even with the mentality of doing that, but she's doing it.
I know. Look at them all the way back there. Come on, guys, catch up.
They're right there. They're not even far.
You're so far.
At this rate, we'll be done in an hour. There goes canoe. So what? I'm trying to stay close to the beach.
That's what I told him. Keep telling him.
Great back day.
My arm gonna be so sore tonight.
You shouldn't be using your arms, you should be using your back.
I don't know. I don't really know how to do it. And this guy, he's so patient. Oh, sorry. Oh.
I don't know where they are. I don't think they're coming here. I think
Bro,
they're going straight over there.
They
this one's
don't.
like all the way up.
2 hours later.
Coming over. Lots of food here, guys. It's good though because you paddle your
Bro, I
home.
like to use a big boat.
So cute.
Oh, we're down there. There's like a pressure box.
I just did it.
What's in there?
This is the end. Pretty much you're good. You're good. It pushes you.
Remember to hold your breath, okay? If it happens, control.
I'll holler. Just let it pull you out.
Yeah, just swim with it. There you go.
Roll.
There you go. You don't want to walk the whole time. You kind of want to swim at some points, you know? You want to walk when you need to hold your ground. You know? Yeah, go, 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 go. I know, it comes up on you quick, so just...
Wow, wow, wow. That is so cool. Oh, they cliff jump there. Oh, hell yeah. Next. How you, babe?
good here. Woo! I would not flip.
I don't even trust it.
So cool here, guys. You definitely should jump.
I'm gonna go jump right now. I'm gonna leave it right.
You can do it.
If it's deep, it's deep enough, jump out.
Yeah, it should be fine. Just try not to jump on the rock. Jump out a little bit, okay? Let's go.
5, 4, 3. There you go.
Woo! Nice. Not bad, right?
Not bad.
Not bad, guys.
Oh my gosh.